I'm gonna get you out of there, buddy. Come here. Can't drag a rod around forever. Alright, let's see if I can snag that rod. Come on, buddy. I'm just trying to get that rod off you. There it is. Got it. Got it, finally. Come on, buddy. Get that off you. I know, buddy. Come on. I'm gonna get it off you. Come here, man. Don't break my leader. Come on. Get you taken care of here. Come on. I'm stressing you out. But I can see you right there. Tired from dragging that around everywhere. Shoot, dang it. Should take the pressure off. Alright, next time we get the rod. Let's try and let the bird. Dang it, almost had it. Not a lot to snag on the rod. I just need to get it wrapped around the reel. There it is, I got it. I got it. Just gotta keep pressure on it. The reel. There. Bust it off. I got it. Okay. Buddy, I'm gonna get you out of here. No. Oh boy. Mess up your face. Hopefully we can get you in the eye. Okay. Bring it up in here. Just take care of it. I know, it's rough. It's rough. Let's see what we can do. You want to come at my face. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I get it, you're angry. Calm down. Well, it didn't get you in the eye, so... Here. I'm going to pinch the barbs off one by one. We're going to back this out. We're going to break them off. I'm going to try and get this out of your eye, buddy. Close your eye. There we go. Okay. We got that much. Hey. Calm down. Calm down. Let go of that. Okay. That one should come off now. Okay. That one should be free next. Let's see if we can get that one out. These trebles are problematic, huh? Okay, one more. I'll let you go. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we should have it. Should have it here. That's hung up on that feather. It's wrapped on a feather. Okay. Hey. Calm down. Calm down. I've almost got you. I know you know it. There we go. You're free, buddy. Okay, you ready? You're still pretty feisty. Okay. Are you ready? Ooh, you my nose, you got me, huh? You ready? Got me in the nose there, pretty good. Alright. Now I get on to fishing. There's fish. Got it. Got it. Got him. There's first kokanee of the day on the jig. Nice. Nader jig right there. Slip through the outside. Nice. Right again. There he is. Got him. Got him. Kokanee? Alright, so what I'm using here today is just a pink and orange Kokanee jig. This is a 1 ounce jig on a medium light mag taper rod. This is a GL2 jigging rod, or GL3 jigging rod, sorry, from Loomis. I got 5-pound braid on my main line and a 6-pound fluorocarbon leader. And I'm just casting out right now about 40 feet from the kayak and letting it fall. Sometimes I'm picking them up on the fall, and then otherwise I'll let it go right below the boat and I start my jigging motion. Ooh, there's Blake. Did I get him? Nope. Oh, there you got him. Got him. Little baby guy. Well, it looks like the wind's not going to let down, so I'm having a tough time staying on top of these schools of kokanee. I've got a handful of fish right off the bat, and then it's been a bit of a struggle since because I can't stay on top of them. But at least I was able to get here and free that cormorant from this rod that it had got hooked on. I don't know if it was going for that little cast master there on the end of it, or why it got hung up on the hooks, but at least I was able to free him. I'm not exactly a huge fan of cormorants. I know their population is doing okay and everything, but I don't really feel like an animal needs to suffer because of human trash. So I guess I'm gonna call it for the day, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.